Hi guys, Dan Avalon here. I've been playing drums for a decade now, been professional for about 8 years. I play in bands such as Her Name Was and Puppets. I'm proudly endorsed by Collision Drumsticks. I use the 5BR all hickory stick. Perfect length, perfect weight for my playing style. I can't complain at all. I like Collision because they have good durable products, respectable staff, and also good company values and practices. I'm now going to play for you a song called Private Planes by Puppets. I hope you enjoy. Cheers.